Most small business websites don't struggle because they're broken, they struggle because they slowly drift out of alignment. Your site might still look good, but behind the scenes, Google may no longer clearly understand what your business does, who it's for, or which pages matter the most. That's why website audit services for small businesses exist. A proper audit is not about fixing everything at once. It's about checking the SEO health of your website so you can see what's quietly holding you back. That usually starts with 3 things. First, a website performance analysis. This looks at how fast your pages load, how your site performs on mobile, and whether visitors leave before they even see your content. Second, an SEO analysis of your website. This checks whether your pages are aligned with how people actually search, not how they searched a year ago. And third, clarity. An audit helps you understand which pages Google trusts, which ones are confusing, and where small adjustments can create the biggest visibility gains. The goal isn't overwhelm, it's confidence. When you know what matters first, SEO stops feeling like guesswork and starts feeling manageable.